You know money is a problem when you hope that nobody invites you anywhere, because saying no is really tiring, my friend, when the actual answer is, I cannot afford it. Now, have you ever avoided a plan just because you did not have to explain your money situation to anybody else? I know that feeling. Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol, and as a dad, I know what it feels like to be financially stressed. I know what it feels like to be a miserable dad, filled with guilt, all because of money. There were times in our life, I remember this like yesterday. We were living in a one-bedroom flat. I had to say no multiple times to my friends, my family, everybody, because we didn't have the funds or the money to go anywhere. Now, how many times have you not been in that position because you have not had the funds to go anywhere? Does that happen with people from time to time? Absolutely, it happens. But with us, it happened more times than what we would have loved for it to happen, if you understand what I mean. So I could not live with that feeling anymore. I couldn't look my family in the eyes and say, listen, we are not going anywhere. We're not doing anything because we don't have the money to. So I took all that pain and that frustration and I turned online. And when I turned online, I also discovered this blueprint that's not only assisted me by earning multiple figures online from the comfort of my own home, using my phone, my friend, shooting content like this. I just want to show you that there is a way out. Now, if you're that parent, that dad, or that mom, and you can relate to what I just said, there is a way, there is a better way. You just got to take the action, make the decision that you want to change you and your family's life. You want to provide a better financial future for them. Now, if you would like more details and information regarding this blueprint, give this video a like and leave me a comment.